1:01. They should pick up a green flag this time by as they come out of turn number 4, and away we go! John Holiday jumping out in front. AJ Ford is swinging and swaying with the help of Matt Noblin. And Ron Linden is 4 on the inside. Here they come for lap number 1. So we're officially underway with 1 lap completed. John Holiday out in front. AJ Ford is 2, Ron Linden 3, and Matt Noblin is 4. Division. We have completed 2 laps. At this point, we're led by John Holiday in truck number 42.
I actually didn't even want to come today.
Johnny Holiday showing in front. AJ Ford
not even in the mood
for it. In third. And Matt Noblin bringing up the rear in truck number 51. By the flag stand, the cross flags will be in position, indicating the halfway mark of the race with 5 laps completed. 5 laps completed. John Holiday out in front in truck number 42. AJ Ford is second. Here comes Ron Linden moving down low on the inside in truck number 24. And Matt Noblin brings up the rear in truck 51.
All weekend,
6 laps completed.
The cracking
Holiday
day.
out in front, Ronnie Linden is 2 on the outside. AJ Ford is 3, and Matt Noblin is 4.
Why is the seam so long? Qualifier,
the next time by the flag stand. The white flag will be displayed, indicating the last lap of this qualifying race, and at this point, Johnny Holiday is your race leader. Ronnie Linden is 2, AJ Ford is 3, and Matt Noblin is 4. Very cautiously through turns 3 and 4. Here comes your race winner, Johnny Holiday, in truck number 42. Ron Linden for 2, AJ Ford for 3, and Matt Noblin for 4.
Did they win money?
Amanda went out with 51. She actually did.
I don't know.
Yeah, they always win under. We're the only 2 that win. It's boring as hell. Same with everything.
You can start placing bets.
Go on.
Ladies and gentlemen, truck number 42, John Holiday, your unofficial race winner.